Hey there, it's Dan Ardis, your trusted mortgage broker, here to help you protect your most valuable investment, your home. Today, I want to talk about something that's often overlooked but incredibly important: homeowners insurance. And more specifically, the problem of being underinsured. Underinsurance is one of the biggest hidden risks for homeowners. As a mortgage broker, I can see that it impacts families, sometimes when it's too late to fix. Let's dive in. Underinsurance simply means that your homeowner's insurance policy won't fully cover the cost to rebuild or repair your home in the event of a total loss, like a fire, major storm, or some other kind of disaster. And with rising construction costs, inflation, and supply shortages, many homeowners are now dangerously uninsured without even realizing it. You might wonder, why is a mortgage broker like myself talking about insurance? Well, when you buy a home with a mortgage, your lender requires you to have homeowners insurance. That's because the home serves as collateral for the loan and it needs to be protected. But here's the thing: the lender typically only checks that you have some insurance, not whether it's enough to fully rebuild your home. Protecting yourself from financial disaster is your responsibility. How do homeowners become uninsured? Well, common reasons include not updating your policy after home improvements, rising labor and material costs that are outpacing your coverage, setting coverage limits too low to save on premiums, and then forgetting about ordinance and law coverage, required upgrades after a disaster. I've seen this firsthand. A client of mine had a beautiful home and was insured, but hadn't updated their policy in years. When disaster struck, they discovered their coverage was short by over $150,000. They faced huge out of pocket costs and it delayed rebuilding their home for months. So, how can you make sure that you're covered? Well, here's what I recommend: get a replacement cost estimate and not just a market value. Update your policy after any renovations you do to the home. Check your policy every year. Talk to a trusted insurance agent and not just online quotes. And consider extended replacement cost or guaranteed replacement coverage. Here's my final thought: your home is likely your biggest investment, so don't leave it exposed. As a mortgage broker, I want my clients not just to buy a home, but to keep it safe and secure for years to come. So take a few minutes this week to review your policy and make sure you're not underinsured. And if you have questions, I'm always here to help you connect with great local insurance resources. So thanks for watching. And as always, if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.